Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super straightforward but incredibly useful. How to turn off your Samsung Galaxy Flip 2025. Whether you're trying to conserve battery life, fix a glitch, or just give your phone a quick break, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First off, grab your Samsung Galaxy Flip 2025 and make sure it's unlocked or at least on the home screen. The power button is typically located on the side of the device, right next to the volume buttons. It's that slim button you might use for other functions too. Step 1. Press and hold the power button for about 3 to 5 seconds. You'll feel a gentle vibration, and a menu should pop up on your screen. This menu usually includes options like Power Off, Restart, and Emergency Mode. Step 2. Once the menu appears, look for the Power Off or Shutdown option. It's usually at the top of the list, just tap on it with your finger. Step 3. A confirmation prompt might show up, asking if you're sure you want to power off. Simply tap OK or Power Off to proceed. Your screen will go dark, and the phone will shut down completely. That's it, easy peasy. Now, a quick tip. If your phone is frozen and not responding, don't panic. You can force a restart by pressing and holding both the power button and the volume down button together for about 10 seconds until the screen turns off. This can help resolve minor software issues without any hassle. Turning off your phone regularly is a great habit. It helps with battery health and prevents overheating. If you run into any problems or have questions about your Samsung Galaxy Flip 2025, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tips. See you in the next video.